Okay, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to teach you all how to give a baby a bath, because new parents may not know how to give a baby a bath and you may be a bit scared. So this is how this teaching will help you and guide you in giving a baby a bath. So first of all, we prepare the baby's bath with water, and then you check the water by using your elbow. Make sure the temperature is 37. How do you know the temperature is 37? Is when you put your elbow in, you will feel it's warm. It shouldn't be too hot. If it's too hot, then you have to add cold water into it, because we can scald the baby. Then we have to prepare baby's layout. So use the blanket to cover, because after the bath baby will be cold. So you have to prepare this, and then the baby's clothes. So after the bath we can put the baby straight away to the clothes and the diaper. Cover it nicely. And put it aside. Then you need one big towel and one small towel. The small towel is to wash baby's face, and the big towel we use later to wrap up the baby and to wipe the baby after the bath. Okay, now I'm going to get the baby. Come baby, we are going to give you a bath today. Talk to your baby while giving a bath. So now I'm going to wipe the baby's face first. So I wet up the cloth. How I'm going to wipe the baby, I can put it down, but since I'm showing you all, I'm carrying the baby. Wipe the forehead. Then you just fold the towel. Then wipe the eye. Fold it again. Go to another corner. Wipe another eye. Fold it. Wipe the cheek. Take another corner. Wipe this cheek. Fold it. Wipe the nose. And clean the baby's mouth. That's all. Then put your baby down. Open the wrap. Come baby. Remove the clothes. Come baby. Open the towel. I'm not removing the pampers or diapers yet, because I'm going to give the baby's head a wash first. Okay, now hold the baby in a football hole. This is the way, in between of your body and your hand, and then ensure that you close the ear, because we don't want water to go into the ear. That will cause the baby to have otitis media. So we will close it using your middle finger and your thumb. Then scoop a little bit of water, wet the hair. Take a drop of shampoo, you can just apply here and massage the hair nicely. Okay, baby. Clean it until the lower part. Scoop up the water and just when you feel the soapy feeling is not there, then we can put the baby on the table and just wipe dry the hair. Now you can remove the pampers, clean if it's dirty. This one is clean, so you can remove and throw. And then you can either take the baby to the water and give a bath, or you can wet the baby, put the soap on the table, and then you can carry the baby. So how I'm going to do this way. Just wet the baby. Take little bit of soap, apply to the baby's hand and leg, and very fast I will turn the baby, hold here under the armpit and grip the leg, take the baby to the water, put the baby down slowly and wash the hand first, because this hand is free, so the baby will move it to the mouth or to the face. Then the other hand, okay, clean the baby nicely. Then you have to turn the baby. You can turn the baby this way, which is easier. Make sure both the hand is resting on your hand and the baby's chin is at your hand. Wet the back. Put a drop of soap. Clean the baby nicely. Take the water. Okay, now carry the baby up, balance the baby, take another jug of water, just rinse your baby a little bit. You can use a smaller jug or bowl of water, whichever is easier for you to carry. Hold the baby up and bring to the other side. Clean your baby. Just tap dry. Come baby, we turn you to the side a little bit. Okay, now your baby is dry. Open up the layer that you have prepared. Put the baby down. You can use the pampers first. Okay baby, we are using the clothes for you. Okay, a little bit. Then you just wrap up the baby nicely so baby will be warm and comfortable. And the baby can go to sleep and you can feed the baby after this. Make sure when you're giving a bath, you don't feed the baby first. So after the bath, you can feed the baby. That's all. When you're giving baby bath, I would advise the father to give the baby a bath because this is the bonding time between father and a child. Because mother has the bonding while breastfeeding. So when is the father's bonding time with the baby? So take this opportunity to bond with your child by giving the child a bath, and then you can follow it by doing a baby massage. So this will help to enhance the relationship between your child.